Hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is Imran and you are watching chapter Ways to Online, where we believe if there is will, there are ways to online. In the previous video of this AI agent development journey, we first understood what an AI agent actually is, how AI agent think and take actions, and then we started exploring the AI agent development lifecycle. So far, we have already covered define purpose and scope, system prompt, design, and choose LLM. And in the last video, we started the next section, tools and integration. We explored concepts like connectors, prompts, workflows, REST API, MCP, and other tools available inside Copilot Studio. But understanding tools conceptually is one thing, actually making an AI agent operational is another. How do we make an AI agent run automatically? How do we operationalize it inside a business process? And how can Power Automate trigger and control an AI agent? That's exactly what we are going to build today using our AI agent SkySense BLR. So let's begin. But before I start building this workflow, I would like to give you an overview of the existing agent which will be triggered by our workflow. If you remember, SkySense BLR is our weather monitoring AI agent. Its job is to check Bangalore weather, analyze the next 4-hour forecast, and alert user if rain is expected. Till now, we have manually interacted with the agent, and that we have done using prompts like check sky, scan sky. But in real enterprise scenario, business do not want humans manually triggering AI agent every time. They want schedule execution, automate monitoring, and background operation. And this is where workflow becomes important. What is a workflow? A workflow is simply a sequence of automated steps that execute a process. Think of it like a digital operational pipeline. For our use case, the workflow will trigger the AI agent and pass an instruction to the agent. And in our implementation, Power Automate Cloudflow becomes the mechanism that operationalize the AI agent. Instead of a user manually typing scan sky, Power Automate will automatically trigger the agent on a fixed schedule. Now let's build the workflow live. Okay, so first I will go to Power Automate. From here, I'm going to Power Automate. Now I will go to my workflow and new flow. So here, new flow. So I will create this schedule cloud flow because our intention is to run this unattended 115, like, or let's put it one every 5 minutes. Okay, I will create. Okay, so this is the recurrence. Now I will add one action. Here I will write execute execute an agent. I'm not finding it, so I will write Copilot. Copilot, yes. So I will select execute an agent. So I will try to zoom little bit so that you can see it. So I have selected Copilot, and then I have found this, and here I will select execute an agent. So here I will select this SkySense BLR, and in message I will write scan sky. Okay, that's it. And then I will save this. Okay, Now, before I test this, let's go to my agent and I will show you one thing. Can you see this activate? In activate, if I click, you will see all the triggers it has been triggered. And if you can see, everything was triggered by me. Okay. So last was 1:03 a.m. So now I will go to my trigger and I will test it. I'll test it manually and I will test run workflow. Done. So it has completed its execution. So I should be able to see one here after 1:03. I'll refresh it. See, this is the automated one. Okay. This has been triggered by my robot. Now it should be triggered every 5 minutes, right? Let's go to my email. Let's go to my email. And right now it is 1:09 a.m. And if I go to send, see 1:09, I have one item. See, this is the one, right? And this is 1:10. Again, I have received this one. And I will wait for another one which will be triggered after 5 minutes. Okay, refresh it. Huh. So 1:15, I can see one, and I should see one email. See, 1:15, I have one email. This is the one. Okay. Uh, but still, I cannot see the effect of the sky scan date. It should have been like this. Is that mean that the the topic is not generated? The topic is not. So I'll go to topic again, Gen Sky, and I'll see what is the message over there. So this is sky scan, check rain. This is the topic. So if I go there, scan sky, and here sky scan. Okay. So sky scan. So I will copy this. I'll put it over here and I will save. So I will test now. So I will test it again. So fourth activity, and I should receive one email. Yes, I have still received an email, but it is still giving the same thing. Let's see what happened. If I click here, then is my topic there? No, my topic is not there. It is directly this sent email, but my topic should be active, right? So what is wrong? S- Sky scan, yes, sky scan, and here it is the same. My topic is not being triggered. Let me, I have to publish it once again. I'll go to overview. I will try to change it and then I will publish. Sometime it happens. I will write this, save. I think I should publish this. Okay, what happen if I change? No, how can I publish it? Let me go back, open it again, and I can see this publish. Okay, I will publish it. Okay, it has been published. Now I will go to my agent and I will go to my trigger and manually test it. Okay, I will go to my activity. There, yeah, two step. Okay, if I click here. Okay, now see Gen Sky. The topic has been triggered. So I should now, yes, I can see. So this and this. So we have seen so many things. We have done debugging also. So we have seen that if you exclude this one, because this I have manually passed the prompt and that's why it had generated this one. So I will delete this one. Now what we were seeing that even though my trigger was working fine, but I am not getting email. Let me zoom it little bit so that you can understand. So even though my trigger was working, but I was not getting this email concatenated with the temperature and sorry, this one. This email was not having the temperature and the rain coming yes no within the subject line, which is the configuration of my trigger. Now, why it was happening? It was happening because the exact keyword which was to trigger the topic, which is this one, topic, was not maintained inside my flow, Power Automate flow. So the topic here, if you see, it was sky scan. But when I created this Power Automate flow, I typed opposite, and that was scan sky. If you see, scan sky instead of sky scan. And what it was doing, so it was randomly, you know, interacting with my agent. And as the keyword was not which was expected by my agent, my sorry, as the keyword was not the keyword which was expected by my topic, what was happening? The tool was interacting from my instruction. If you just review, I mean, rewind the video, you will see at the beginning inside the instruction, I was telling my agent to send email via this tool. So later, what we did, we disabled this tool and also we had corrected this message. And then we can see that our subject line is containing this temperature and yes no. Now, and that is correct because if I go to my topic, then you will see here, Here we had created one variable which is this, and inside the variable we are actually concatenating hard string as well as the temperature and rain coming yes no, and then that is passed in the subject, here subject, email subject to, here we have email subject to, and that is we can see that over here. So many things. Now imagine extending the same concept further. Instead of weather monitoring, the same pattern can be used for invoice monitoring, compliance checks, email classification, automation assessment, operational alerts, ticket prioritization, and many other enterprise use cases. This is where AI agent and workflow automation start working together to create intelligent enterprise operations, isn't it? So, in this video, we learned how Power Automate can operationalize Copilot Studio agents, how workflows can trigger AI agents automatically, and how AI agents can run as scheduled background process without human intervention. In the next video, we will continue exploring the AI agent development journey and move deeper into the next building block of enterprise AI agent. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with anyone exploring AI agents, Copilot Studio, or enterprise automation. And as always, keep building, keep learning, and keep transformation with AI. Before I sign off, remember, if there is will, there are ways to online. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.